Introduction. Unleash your inner blogger. Hey there, future blogging superstars. Ever thought about sharing your thoughts, passions, or even your cat's hilarious antics with the world? It's easier than you think. Starting a blog can be a blast, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Get ready to unleash your inner wordsmith and watch your ideas take flight in the digital world. Starting a blog is like opening a door to a global community. You can connect with people who share your interests, spark conversations, and maybe even inspire others. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz or a writing guru to get started. With a little enthusiasm and this handy guide, you'll be up and running in no time. So grab your thinking caps and let's dive in. Think of something you're passionate about. Maybe you love baking, travel, or have an uncanny ability to predict the weather. Whatever it is, your blog can be the perfect outlet to share your expertise and enthusiasm. Once you've found your niche, it's time to choose a catchy name that reflects your blog's personality. Think of it as giving your blog a fun and memorable identity. Now that you have a name and a niche, it's time to build your blog's online home. There are tons of platforms out there, but some popular choices include WordPress, Blogger, and Medium. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your needs and tech skills. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert. Most platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates, making it super easy to design a blog that reflects your style. Think of it like decorating your dream room, but in the digital world. Choose colors, fonts, and layouts that you love, and watch your blog come to life. Remember, your blog should be a reflection of you and your unique voice. So have fun with it, experiment with different designs, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Section 3. Crafting content that sings. Here comes the fun part, creating content that will have your readers hooked. Think about the kind of posts you'd love to read, whether it's informative how-to guides, personal anecdotes, or thought-provoking opinion pieces. The key is to write with passion and authenticity. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through in your writing. Use humor, share personal stories, and write in a conversational tone that feels like you're chatting with a friend. Remember, people connect with people, so let your true self shine through in your words. Think about incorporating different media formats into your posts to make them even more engaging. Add eye-catching images, embed relevant videos, or even create infographics to present information in a visually appealing way. Variety is the spice of life, and it's the spice of a good blog too. Section 4. Promoting your blog. Like a pro. You've poured your heart and soul into creating amazing content. Now it's time to share it with the world. Promoting your blog might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Start by sharing your posts on your personal social media accounts and engage with your followers. Join online communities related to your niche and participate in discussions. Leave thoughtful comments on other blogs and build relationships with fellow bloggers. The more you put yourself out there, the more people will discover your awesome content. Consider starting an email list to keep your readers updated on your latest posts and connect with them on a more personal level. Remember, building a successful blog takes time and effort, but with consistency and a little bit of hustle, you'll be well on your way to becoming a blogging rock star. Section 5. Engaging with your audience. Congratulations, you've officially entered the exciting world of blogging. Now that you're creating awesome content and sharing it with the world, it's time to focus on building a thriving community around your blog. One of the most rewarding aspects of blogging is the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals from all walks of life. Make it a point to respond to comments, answer questions, and engage in meaningful conversations with your readers. Show genuine interest in their thoughts and perspectives, and create a welcoming space where everyone feels heard and valued. Remember, building a strong community takes time and effort, but it's one of the most rewarding aspects of blogging. Host Q&A sessions, create polls, or even run contests to encourage interaction and keep your audience engaged. The more you interact with your readers, the more connected they'll feel to you and your blog. Conclusion. Ready, set, blog. So there you have it. Future blogging superstars. You now have the knowledge and tools to embark on your blogging adventure. Remember, the most important ingredient is your passion and unique voice. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn along the way. The world of blogging is vast and ever-evolving, so embrace the journey and enjoy the ride. Now go out there, share your story, and let your voice be heard. Happy blogging!